Today I'm doing my daughter's nail art. We're doing these cute flowers. So I already put a base coat on, and now she's gonna choose what color she wants on her nails. So let's see, we are using the Mommy and Me collection. ¿Qué colores quiere? El rosa. This one is the Ella's Pick. ¿Cuál otro? ¿Quieres otro? Este es muy lindo. This one is I love you. I love you. I love you. Ah, it's a good play on words. Let's see if you can see it there. I love you. ¿Quieres otro? ¿Cuál otro?
Amarillo.
Amarillo. Yellow. Wheels on the bus. ¿Y quieres otro más? Verde. Okay. This one is Tropical Jungle. 4 beautiful colors. Look at that. So I think I'm gonna paint them in yellow. Y vamos a empezar pintándote las uñas. Okay, shake it up. Empezar con amarillo. I love this collection because the little brush is tiny, so you could actually paint their nails and not do a huge mess. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué?
Or the colors.
Sí, those are colors. Y vamos para aquí. Vamos a esta mano ahora. ¿Tú comiste ahora o estás así?
Muy mucho.
Ay, doña, otra. Okay, ahora espera un momento. Now we're here for the second coat.
¿Puedo va?
Sí, va, porque se vea muy lindo, para que sea bien amarillo.
¿Salí, salí? ¿Salí de amarillo?
Espérate, ponte aquí para no dañarte.
¿Qué pasó, camisa?
Lo vas a Okay, ahora esperar que se seque. Next we're gonna use our purple nail polish, and I'm gonna dry brush. So I'm gonna make sure I take enough out. And I'm gonna dry brush this way. And this one. The other side. Well, it didn't come out dry brush, but It is what it is. You barely could see it, but it is there. Now we're gonna add our top coat, and while at it, we're gonna add a small gold stud on the ring finger as the center of the flower. So let's start with that. I'm gonna start with the pinky. And then we're gonna add the stud right away. Right on the corner right there. Add a little bit more top coat on it. Here are the final results. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share with friends, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!